Hey, welcome to our newest video. And today we're going to ask a question of whether you should use a landing page or a website and for what purpose. Because I see a lot of contractors guessing and therefore wasting time and money. So I'm hoping to help end that today. So first, let's define each very quickly. So a website, as we know, is pretty much your online business card where people, if they want to see more information about your business, they go to that website. They have multiple pages to look at, to see the FAQs, projects, testimonials, all that fun stuff. Okay. And that's when people are already trying to decide between a few companies which one to go with for their home improvement project, painting, window replacement, remodeling, flooring, all that fun stuff. But a landing page doesn't have multiple pages. It's a page by itself with no other navigation, which leads people through a single journey. Okay. And if you haven't guessed already, the landing page is most optimal for using with advertising or sending people to from your Google ads, Facebook ads, whatever it might be. Because what happens if you send people to your main website from a, let's say, Facebook ad? What happens is they go to your website, they see maybe your services, and then they go to another page. And then by that time, maybe they get a notification and then they go to another window for something else. They get a Facebook message or whatever, and then they don't come back to your website. And then you lose that lead. What happens is when you have a landing page that has no other navigation, a clear, like this one, a clear, you have the quick testimonials, very easy title. This is a roofing template example that I just brought up here that I had done. And you see, very easy, takes only a few seconds to scan, look, and they can see tidbits from your website, just the important info for them to send their contact. They're not obligated for anything. They're just getting a quote. So what you can do is use a landing page for attracting leads and your website, your more robust website, to really help close them when they're kind of, after they submit, maybe they're debating between a few different companies. And when I say robust, you don't have to have a grand website. A simple, neat website with a few pages, maybe expanding on these aspects, having an FAQ section, stuff like that, which you should already have. But a landing page is the way to go. And again, you see this is fairly simple, neat, but with just enough information to help hook them. If you have any more questions, let me know. Happy hump day.